You're so mean.
I'm not mean. I'm just saying.
Why can't you just talk to me in like a logistic way? Like
I am.
Nah, you're being a little sarcastic asshole.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Really? Hello, camera. She's being a bitch. So yes, I hit my tire. I'm sitting here.
Have you had anything to drink today?
Let's see. Tea, coffee.
Alcoholic.
Oh, is that what you're asking?
Yes.
Yeah. Tea, wine, coffee.
How much alcohol would you say you've had?
Let's see. 4 ounces.
4 ounces? How long ago?
2 hours ago.
Do you have a driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
No.
Why?
Why do you need it?
Because I asked you to see your driver's license. Now,
I know. Now you're not pulling me over. You're like, I'm sorry,
I'm not
but
pulling
this
you
is
over.
just
like I said, we got a
Jesus
call
Christ.
about your driving. You just admitted.
You're just mean. You're like this little bitch. Okay, so
Hey.
could you?
We're not doing that.
Then she needs to go away. She's like cocky and not nice.
She's signal 1.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
So can I have your driver's license, please?
No, ma'am. I would like to talk to this gentleman.
Do you have a driver's license, dear?
Yes, sir.
Can I get that, please?
Yes.
She said she's had 4 ounces of wine since the last 2 hours.
I did not say that. Repeat and redraw your little camera. Why do you gotta be so mean? Jesus Christ. Would you like the real license or the fake one?
Both, please.
I just being
No.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So how about Miss Delta?
That's me.
How about we start all over, dear?
Yes, let's please. Cause you're the mean one.
Okay. Why do you?
You're cute.
Why,
Thank you.
why are we here? Why do you think we're making
here
contact
because
with you?
I have a flat tire.
Okay. But how do you think we?
Because I'm an asshole and I drive too fast.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Are you aware that you hit
Yes, I am.
the
Absolutely.
road, the median area,
No,
the concrete curb?
Yes.
Okay. And how many times did you hit the concrete curb?
Once.
Okay. Is it only that flat tire?
Yeah. Why, is there 7 other flat tires that I don't know about?
I haven't had a chance to look at your car. Would you like
Okay,
to look
well, so I was like, seriously, like, really? Are you really questioning me that hard? Like,
Well, you
oh,
have,
don't look at all the other injuries on the car.
well, you have scuff marks on this wheel and this
But I
tire.
bought, this is a bought car from somebody else, so it's not fair for all the other damage they did. This, I just did this, yes.
You just did this one.
Yes. 100%. That's me.
That's you. Okay.
Bought the car like that.
Okay.
Like,
Stay right here.
why?
Just stay right here. Don't go approach it.
Well, I was gonna see it. I was gonna tell him all the other marks that I bought this
Dude,
car.
all he's worried about is the tires.
Okay, fine. Don't.
What?
I'm supposed to. Oh my God. Tires.
Where did this curb jump out at you at?
Right up there.
Right here.
Like north of here?
Oh my God, people. South of here. So if that's south, that's north. So I'm sorry.
We're just trying to get the story straight.
I popped my tire. I ran it off the road. I hit the tire. Yes. I fucked up.
So we had a concerned caller called on you about the way that you were driving. I'm sorry?
Is that the one?
I don't.
It sounds like the one.
Okay, so you have to understand where we're coming from. Okay. Did you tell my deputy that you had a few drinks or no drink?
No. She asked me what I had to drink. I said coffee, water, what I had to drink today. So.
Did you have anything, alcohol?
Yeah, there was alcohol involved in my day of drinking today.
Okay, and how long ago was that?
See, that's what she asked. She asked it differently.
Okay, well, how long ago did you have alcohol?
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago. Do you know what time it is now?
Yes, sir.
I think it's 4:30, 5:30.
Which one?
Oh, jeez, come on now.
I'm asking. What time do you think it is? Without looking at your phone.
No, that's not fair.
Okay.
What? You tell me what time it is.
It's 5:30.
Damn it, man. Damn it. That's close.
So, how long ago did you consume alcohol?
2 hours ago.
2 hours ago? Okay. And what kind of alcohol did you consume?
Wine.
Okay. And how much wine?
See, I already know what this is all about, and I've never had a DUI in my life.
Okay, well,
My
let's not start
stepfather
now.
is the state attorney of Florida, and these are all like,
It's just simple questions.
I know they're simple questions, but they're interrogating questions that I just simply pulled over, and now I might get arrested to go to jail.
I never said anything about jail.
Got mean lady girl, but she's nice and cute now.
Okay.
You're the nice guy now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why was it being mean?
Yeah, you were.
I was asking you a simple question. You
Oh.
told me you were going to Sebastian. I asked you why you were going
I'm
south.
from Sebastian. I live from Sebastian, so
I was
yes.
just trying to understand the story. I even made a joke about the curb jumping out at you.
I know.
I know, it happens to me too.
It's kind of an asshole-ish.
It happens to me. I popped a couple
Really?
tires. Yeah. I popped 2 tires in my sheriff's office car by hitting a curb.
Alright, well then fine. I can do that. That's nice.
I'm honest.
I appreciate that.
So,
what are we doing here?
How about you just step out and stand with me, so I can finish what I'm doing.
What are you
I'm not going to
doing?
put you in handcuffs. I just
What
want
are you doing?
to check in your balance.
Good luck, because I'm already...
What does
Good
that?
luck.
What does that mean?
I have Achilles issue. That's what that means.
I don't know what that means.
Well, there you go. I have Achilles. I got Achilles. Good luck on my balance. So
Okay,
that's
would you like
not...
to take off your sandals?
It doesn't matter. I have an Achilles issue that I can't balance. That's why there's tape on my ankle. Do you
Okay.
think I just randomly just threw tape on myself?
I don't know what that is, man. I'm not a mind reader.
Okay,
Just stand for me. Stand outside your car. Okay.
I'm going to call my stepfather, who is the state attorney.
Not right now.
Oh, yes, I am.
No.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Why?
Because you're being detained. I don't want to put handcuffs on you
I'm being detained for what?
for suspicion of drunk driving.
For suspicion. So suspicion is
So how
not...
about you help me? Right?
You really think that's fair?
I don't know what that is.
Fair?
I'm not medical certified.
Well,
But
that's... Are you f***ing kidding me?
It's just
That's just
tape.
not fair.
It's just
No, it's
tape.
not. You think I randomly just stuffed that on there in my leg?
Well, stand there without leaning on your car.
You want to take my shoes off?
You can take your shoes off.
whatever you feel more comfortable with.
No, wait. First off, I'm calling my stepfather before I do this.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Why?
I've already told you.
Tell me one more time why I can't call my stepfather.
I've already told you.
Tell me one more time why I cannot call my stepfather.
Either you cooperate, or I can just take you to jail.
Oh, I'll
if you want.
cooperate.
Okay. So put your phone down on top of the roof.
But you're not... No, that's not right. That's not fair.
I've already explained it to you.
Say it one more
Why?
time. God bless America.
Why? Why do I need
Why
to repeat
not?
myself? Why do I need to repeat myself?
Wow.
So take off your sandals.
No,
No?
no. I'm sorry. That's not right.
Why?
You can't repeat yourself to me.
Why do I need to repeat myself?
Because I'm asking you to. And you are a fucking goddamn officer, and I'm asking you to do something for me. That's a...
Somebody called
Oh my
reference
God.
your driving.
Somebody
Suspicions
called.
of
Who
drunk
is
driving.
that somebody?
Huh?
Where
I don't
are
need
they?
To, I don't need to tell
Where
you.
are they?
I don't need to
Are
tell
they
you.
here? Then show me who they are and where they
They
are.
were here. We already spoke to him.
So those are the two old
No,
people?
he's lost.
Really?
Yes, he asked me for directions how to get to State Road 60.
Okay, this does not seem right legally and
Put
legality-wise.
your phone on the roof of your car, please. And take off your sandals so you can help me out with your balance exercises. You're making this worse for you. If it works out, then you can make a phone call and get picked up.
What's your name?
Buffington.
Moon? You're a bitch.
Thank you.
But you're cute. I like it.
Put your phone on the roof, please.
I don't think that's right. I don't think I
Okay,
have
well,
to.
too bad.
I don't legally
Listen.
think I have to.
He's asked you 3 times. The next thing
It
that's going to
doesn't
happen
matter.
is I'm going to take it out of your hands and I'm going to take possession of it. So you have an option to be an adult and put your phone on the car, or I will take
But
the phone
what
from
am I
you.
going to do after I put my
He's
phone
going
on
to
the car?
explain that to you.
Thank you. I'm helping you out. believe it or not. Okay?
Now you want to be balanced.
Without a doctor's note and explaining what is going on, how am I supposed to believe you?
Because who the fuck tapes their fucking legs like this?
Ride with me for a day and you'd be surprised when people
Well,
do.
I don't ride with you for a day. I mean, I don't have tape in the fucking goddamn glove compartment.
Okay.
I mean, seriously.
Would you like to take off your shoes for better balance?
No, these are like the best. They held my feet.
Okay, then just stand on that line for me, please. Leave your phone on the roof.
I'm not sure this is legal.
Okay.
So show me that it's legal.
No, that's not our job right now.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It is absolutely your job.
So are you refusing cooperation? Are you
No.
refusing? Then stand right there. That's the second time I've already told you. Leave your phone alone. That's the third time I've told you.
I'm calling my stepfather.
Okay, then you'd be in place in handcuffs.
Why?
I've
Listen,
already told you.
this is how this is going to work. You have an opportunity to prove to us that you are not driving under the influence. If you do not prove to us that
What do
you
you
are
want?
not driving under the influence, then
Stand
we
on that
can
line.
Not
take
a
it
fair,
to jail.
a not fair thing
I
with
smell
Achilles.
alcohol coming off your breath. I can take
I
you
smell
to jail.
fucking shit from your breath.
Great.
Called anger and mean
Step over
ladies.
there.
Step over there.
Nope, don't
Step
get in
over
my
there.
car.
Step over there.
Don't
now.
touch me.
Step over there.
Wow.
You can step right there. Now let go.
Did. You do know. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's go through this process again. What do you want from me?
Stand right there.
What do you want me to do?
Stand on the line.
There is no line.
There's a line right there.
So you want to stand on the crap that's unbalanced from an even line to an uneven line.
Yes.
You want me to stand on that and balance myself.
Yes.
How is that fucking fair? The line doesn't even balance itself.
Stand on the left or the right hand side of that line. For the crap. Feet together. Okay. Turn around, face my car.
Back away from me. I like you, but I don't like you.
To be honest with you, that's not my concern right now.
I do like you. You're cute. You're a good officer. First off, let's refer to my feet.
You can put your shoes back on. You don't have to take your shoes off. Whatever you're more comfortable in.
I'm calling my stepbrother right
No,
now.
you're not.
Oh, did you touch my phone?
Go stand back on the line.
You better give me back my
I will
phone.
give you your phone back. Go
I am-
stand on the line.
You don't understand who you're dealing with.
I'm
And,
not concerned. I don't care.
You
if you're
should
the
be.
porn
You
star.
should be.
Go stand over there.
You just stole my phone.
I didn't steal your phone. I'm
Then
holding
hand me
possession
back
of it.
my phone.
No.
Hand
Go
me
stand
back
over there.
my phone.
I can take you to jail. Go stand over there.
Hand me back
Face
my
his
phone.
car like he told you to do.
Hand me my phone.
No.
Nope. Why do I have to do what you do and you can't give me my fucking phone?
Because we're not concerned
I'm
with your
calling
phone.
my stepfather, who is the state attorney of Florida.
Okay. Turn around and face the car.
Give me my phone.
No.
Oh my God. What do you want?
Wait for you to calm down.
Oh, I'm pissed. She just took my phone and she's touching things on my phone, which she should not be doing.
You're pissed. You put us in this position.
I'm pissed.
You put us in this position.
I'm
The way
the
that
one
you drive, that you hit that curb.
I didn't mean to hit the curb.
Well,
God forbid. Someone need help.
huh?
Someone need help for hitting a curb. I thought you guys were helping me instead of antagonizing me and
Not when we get reports of reckless driving on you.
reckless driving. Where are the people?
I don't need
You
to
cannot
tell you that.
say that legally
Really?
without evidence of the people that aren't here.
He's already spoken to them.
Oh my God, you guys! You can't arrest somebody without evidence.
We have evidence of you drinking and driving. I can smell alcohol emitting from your breath.
I can smell
That's all the
alcohol
evidence.
emitting your breath, and I can actually see on the camera that you stole my fucking phone.
I didn't steal your phone.
You stole my phone. Give me back my phone. You literally stole my phone. It's on camera. Give me back my phone. Give me back my
Are you
phone.
refusing balance exercises?
No, I didn't even know we're
Stand
still
right
doing
there.
it. No. Give me back my phone and I'll do whatever you want. I'm sorry. Is that legal for you to take my phone?
I didn't take your phone. I'm preventing you from making a phone call because right now you're obstructing an investigation.
What's
You're
the
delaying
investigation?
the DUI.
Give me my phone.
No.
There is no law that
No.
says that you
Stand right
are.
there with your feet together, face me.
On an uneven surface.
You can stand on the left-hand side of the crack or the right-hand side
It's
of the
really, really hot right there. On the
Okay.
leg side.
Okay.
You take your shoes off and put your feet on.
Face me, square up, feet together. Would you like to put your glasses on the trunk?
I want my phone. Little Miss Lady, put my phone here.
Are you refusing exercises? That's
No,
the second time I've asked
no,
you.
I'm not.
Then don't worry about the phone.
I'm not refusing anything.
You will get
Stand
your
right
phone
there.
as soon as he's done with
First
what
off,
he's
it's
doing.
really, really actually hot.
Then put your shoes back on.
I want my phone.
No.
I have
It's
no
like a broken
legal
record. It's a
obligation.
broken record. We keep telling you no.
I have no legal obligation
Would you like to put your glasses on your trunk?
without my phone.
Would you like to put the glasses on your trunk? Alright, turn around. Turn around.
Why?
Turn around.
No. Why are you?
Stop.
Do you have anything that's on you that's going to poke or prick me? Hello?
Get off my breast, you bitch.
Relax. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Stand up on the
Can I
running board.
try to get in the
Yes,
truck
stand
without you
up-
pushing me?
Stand up on the running
You
board.
son of a bitch. What do you fucking get rid of? Oh my god.
Sit sideways, easier on your wrist. Scoot in there.
I'm trying!
Okay. Push up on your feet.
But the assholes I don't. I want you to give me back my phone, you little thief.
Your phone is on the hood of your car.
Why would you leave my fucking phone there?
Everything else that you own is over there. Your car's wide open with your purse in it.
So, thank you! Thank you, you little fucking cunt. I still like you even though you're stupid ass mean motherfucker. You should really reevaluate your ability to be a police officer.
Okay, Delta. You listening? You listening?
I can't help but listen.
Okay. Are you still refusing?
I didn't refuse anything.
Yes. You kept stalling. Okay.
I didn't stop. Okay.
So with what I observed so far, and you failing to cooperate, I'm going to have to arrest you for DUI and resisting from what I observed so far.
Right. My first DUI ever.
You chose to drive after drinking wine 2 hours ago. You chose to act like a child with your cell phone. It's just a cell phone.
I'm sorry.
You're an adult. It's a cell phone.
Whatever.
Okay. So you understand.
Yeah. Whatever
Okay.
you say, I haven't done. No, I don't understand this.
You just said yes.
No, I take it back.
Okay.
I do not understand. Come back. If you do not come back and reiterate what you just said to me of what I was supposed to, I would like to rediscuss what we spoke.
Okay, we can do that in the jail.
Do you want any of her
Why am I
property or
going to
anything?
go to
That's
jail?
fine.
Okay.
And I got her license.
What did I really do that warrants me to
Her
go
shoe,
to
I
jail?
don't care about her shoe.
No, that could be in the car.
Seriously.
Thank you.
Get out of my purse. I want my purse.
I have to do an inventory
No,
search.
you
of your
give me my
vehicle.
f***ing purse in front of me.
I'm
No, you cannot do that legally. You cannot legally go through my purse without me visually watching you. You've been driving my goddamn purse. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be